Kim Jong Un, General Secretary of the Workers' Party of Korea and President of the State Affairs of the Democratic People's Republic of Korea, inspected major munitions factories on January the 8th and the 9th to learn about the production of weapons and equipment. Making rounds of the factories, Kim Jong Un learned in detail about the production of weapons and equipment. He highly appreciated the factories for having turned out in the patriotic struggle for the successful attainment of the munitions production goal. He expressed great satisfaction over the fact that the factories have successfully carried out the plan for deploying new type weapons and equipment to the first-line large combined units and major missile units. Predicating that the clan of the Republic of Korea is our principal enemy, he said what the DPRK should prioritize in the relations with the hostile state, running high fever in arms build-up while inciting the confrontation posture with the former, is to bolster up the military capabilities for self-defense and the nuclear war deterrent first of all.